Hello, today we will guide you through how to set reminders in Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a clear, reliable reminder that posts exactly where and when you need it. Start by opening Slack and navigating to your workspace. From the left sidebar, head to the home view so you can see your channels and direct messages. Find the channel where you want the reminder to appear, like a sample channel used for testing, and click to open it. You can set reminders in any channel you can post in, or in your own direct message with Slackbot if you only want a private nudge. In the message field at the bottom, begin by typing the command that powers all reminders, remind. This command works in plain language, and it needs 3 parts in a single line: who or where to remind, what to say, and when to send it. Right after remind, specify the target. For a channel, use the channel name with a hash, like #sample_channel. If you want a personal reminder, you can use me. Next, add the reminder text in quotes so Slack knows exactly what message to deliver. Finally, include the time or schedule in natural language. Slack understands phrases like tomorrow at 9 a.m., next Monday, in 10 minutes, or every weekday at 8:55 a.m. Putting it together, your message might look like this. Remind sample channel stand-up starts in 5 minutes, every weekday at 8:55 a.m. Or, for yourself, remind me check budget approvals tomorrow at 3 p.m. If your team spans time zones, keep in mind the reminder follows the workspace or user time zone. So it's smart to specify AM or PM and the intended day. When your command looks right, press Enter to send it. You'll see a confirmation from Slack, which means your reminder was scheduled successfully. At the scheduled time, Slack will post the message in the channel you chose or deliver it privately if you targeted yourself. If you set a recurring schedule, Slack will continue to send it on that pattern until you change or stop it. If something doesn't work, double-check a few common details. Make sure the channel name is correct and starts with a hash, keep your reminder text inside quotes, and use clear scheduling words like at, tomorrow, or every. Also ensure you have permission to post in that channel. That's it. You've set a Slack reminder that's easy to read, lands in the right place, and arrives right on time.